Hi friends, today I'm going to share a very nice recipe of mixed bean salad. The things we need: 250 grams of red kidney beans, 250 grams butter beans, 100 grams sweet corn, lemon, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and crushed black pepper and olive oil. Okay, now we're going to prepare. I'm going to show you how to prepare. Now I'm going to add butter beans, sweet corn, salt, and crushed black pepper, and little bit 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon of, I think, olive oil. Everything is mixing now. I'm going to squeeze lemon, fresh lemon. Make sure not seasoning it. So finally our mixed bean salad is ready. I hope you like and share this recipe, and subscribe my channel. Until next video, bye bye.